Welcome to Forecast in a Box, Pluto7 solution using Tableau. Typically, when we have looked at the forecasting problem being solved in enterprises, we have seen applications cost over $1 million, taking about 6 months to implement, requiring skills that are hard to maintain and build in-house. After all of those things, the output is still not simple to analyze and make decisions. The question is, why can't forecasting be simpler? With over a decade of experience with predictive analytics and forecasting, we have come up with a simpler and a better solution for forecasting and planning using Tableau. Let's take a quick look at the architecture. So now, this architecture costs 1/10 the cost and was built at 1/4 the time. Now, the data sources for this planning and forecasting model varies from historical plans to customer data to order management Salesforce, along with manual feeds. We gathered all these through Pentaho and created data marts and stored the historical plans plus the forecasting input and then built the visualization using Tableau. Now, let's take a quick look at what the output looks like. As you can see here, the plan is laid out in a Tableau dashboard where you could compare and slice and dice your data by entities, by theaters, by time. It could be years or quarters. And you could look at your delta and growth, comparing them year over year by different segments. Additionally, you could also look at compare different plans. What is the plan last quarter? What's the plan this quarter? How are they performing quarter over quarter? Now, all of these could be sliced and diced in many different ways, and that's the beauty of Tableau, that your information is right there, and you could slice and dice the way you want it. And visually, you could represent everybody has different choice of colors, so you could change your colors and lay out the way you want. The key thing is you could have graphs and data overlay each other and have your data appear simple, where you could see the bookings, the growth, the percentage growth, the plan, how much did your plan vary by, and what's the percentage of variance, and so on. Now, you could also have tabular views if you are more comfortable with the traditional approach of slicing and dicing data. And as well, along with that, you could look at different sales levels. You could look at your top customers. What is the booking versus growth? How are the top products performing? Now, all of these are built in Tableau with the formulas and the design embedded entirely in Tableau, with the data extraction built in Pentaho, as it was stated earlier. Now, along with this, if you would like to further build visualization, you could build graphs and play around with the visualization using the solution that has been built. We also support building our integration which is supported by Tableau, and further extending your forecasting and statistical modeling using our programming. So that's Forecast in a Box from Pluto7. If you would like to get further help and assistance or support, please visit us at www.pluto7.com. Thank you.